Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Grammarly app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Go to your Play Store. Tap on the search bar and type in Grammarly app. Tap on the Grammarly logo. To download, tap on the install button. It will take a while to download the app. Then tap open to begin the Grammarly app. And this is how you can download or install Grammarly app. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.